Hello, friends. I hope you're doing okay. I know it can be really difficult at times to stay centered when life is pulling you in so many different directions. You are so needed right now to show up with love and wisdom, and the message for May confirms this. I'm Saralee Hofrichter of SaraleeHofrichter.com. And when I sat quietly and asked, what is the message that is most needed right now? I pulled a major arcana card. This indicates that this is not a trivial lesson, but a potentially powerful and karmic one pertaining to your personal growth. The tarot card I pulled for May is 3, Peacock, fertility. And in traditional tarot, this is the Empress card. It's a beautiful peacock in all her glory. This card represents just that and so much more. Love, beauty, motherhood, femininity, wisdom, leadership, inner and outer wealth, connection with spirit. You get the picture? It's about serving humanity graciously. The message is graciously embrace abundant beauty and love from within and without. The deck that I'm using is from my new Crystal NatureTarot kit, where there's a crystal to work with for each card. And the crystal ally for all of the major arcana cards is a clear quartz. I have this beautiful Lemurian clear quartz point. And clear quartz specific message to you is this: clarity of mind, clarity of purpose, clarity in general. Clear the air, clear your mind. I give power to all of your desires. I help activate all. First, you must become a clear vessel. Breathe in my clearness, my purity of intention. Breathe my energy right into your veins, and let me flush through you and clear the way. I am pure. I invite you this month to sit with clear quartz. You may want to put her under your pillow when you sleep, or by your bedside, or at your altar, or by your desk. Let her guide you and get clear about how you can best serve humanity right now. Together, let's create a better world for us and our children. I believe we can. Many, many blessings to you, and take good care. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.